Hello and welcome back. So today I'm going to be quickly showing you how to get any of our courses for just $10 or £10. So of course, let's get straight into it. Now you can go from our website, blackbricktraining.co.uk, and go to any of our courses listed just here. And by doing that, you can click on any of the course images like so, and it will take you to the course with the coupon code BLACKBRICK pre-applied. So it is just £9.99. So that is how you can get it very easily for just $10. Now another thing you can do is go to our Udemy page, BlackBrick, that is udemy.com/user/blackbrick-training, and click on any of our courses, see the one which looks best for you. So say you want to learn graphic design, click on that, and then go to have a coupon just here at the bottom right, and then enter your coupon code, all in capitals, BLACKBRICK, just like so, and then click apply, and there you go. That is £9.99 or $9.99. So that is all you need to do. Now you can find some of these coupon codes on our videos. If we are talking about a particular course on YouTube, that is at BlackBrick again, and of course you can go straight to our Udemy page or onto our website like so and click on any of the images. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy the $10 codes, and I hope you enjoy learning. So yes, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had a fantastic time, and I hope to see you in the next one. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next one. Once again, thanks and goodbye.